lady should be modest.
Yes, a lady should be modest. Go out and sneeze.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, how do you feel when a sneeze is coming on you? Jeez. There's a sneeze because of the soup.
Oh, yes!
Oh my gosh. Me, it's totally crazy. I get this tickling inside my nose and then also my eyes just get flustered and then, oh my goodness, it's just crazy. And then all of a sudden this power comes over my nostrils and I just go, Set that up for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, it was right there. You're trying to...
There's another one coming. You go up in the nostril, go over the bump, go all the way right to here. No, don't shove it up there. Tickle it. You feel the tickling sensation? Sneeze. Sometimes you get 2, maybe 3. 1 you'll definitely get. That's it, folks. Bye.
Oh, shit. At the start.
Fuck. So if I'm lucky like that, it happens after the show. But I definitely have sneezed during a newscast. If you've watched Good Day Columbia, you have 100% heard my co-anchor say, "Bless you, Liv," and then I say, "Thank you," if that is during a lighter story. If it is during a more serious story, we just let it go and we say bless you to one another when we are in commercial break.
I love sneezing. It's my favorite thing. Like, people say sneezing's a quarter of an orgasm. I'ma say it's a full one. I enjoy them that much. Very similar to an orgasm in that you need tissues afterwards and you shouldn't do it in a stranger's face. Very...
Alright, shout out to all the Patreon members. If you want access to more exclusive content, then you need to join our Patreon community. Please do so. Follow us on YouTube,
Follow us on Instagram.
It's just great.
Come on, go on. I got a cheese! Woo! And that I did. Oh, God, people. Oh, God.